Hi, good morning. Today's lecture is on afforestation or silviculture method and soil carbon restoration. First, we'll see what is afforestation or reforestation and regeneration of forest or silviculture system. It is nothing but the forest practices which helps to regenerate a forest. And this silviculture system has classified or it has um, several components or several treatment methods like timely vegetation, tending or means treating or harvest in a stand means in a proper time. And this system has classified as evenly aged, intermediate treatment, and then two aged system and unevenly aged system. In that first we have say evenly aged system. This is to regenerate a stand up trees with relatively uniform size and age. In this we have clear cutting. This means it is nothing but the cutting or clearing of trees may be done in groups or patches. And second we have seed tree method. In this the removal of entire stand except small trees. And third we have shelter wood. Cutting may be done throughout the stand in groups and patches like clear cutting. Coppice means it is also a method of regenerating a stand with all the trees. And next one is intermediate treatment. It is nothing but like our intercultural activities in agricultural crop production like weeding, thinning, pruning, burning, then application of some fertilizers, chemicals, etc. And third we have two aged system. This is a newly added silvicultural terminology. This is mainly to maintain the common reproductive methods. In this, the little or critical trees after seeding or after sheltering may be removed. In this is mainly designed to maintain or regulate a stand with two aged classes. Uh, as like evenly aged system, this also have a clear cutting, shelter wood, coppice uh, in two aged system of silviculture methods. And next we have unevenly aged system. This will have three or more distinct group of trees, age group of trees that can be removed by single or small groups. Likewise, these are all the silviculture methods or methods of silviculture. And next we'll see the soil carbon restoration. Um, you all very well know the atmosphere. Our atmosphere contains almost 70% of carbon. We cannot able to store all the carbon for our purpose. And why we are going to restore this atmospheric carbon in soil means if we are going to store this atmospheric carbon in water, what will happen? The carbon dioxide when can able to dissolve in water and to produce carbonic acid in the water itself. That will reduces the pH level of soil water in groundwater or in ocean anywhere. If we are going to store our atmospheric carbon in ocean means or in our seawater means the pH of ocean will be reduced due to the acidification. Furthermore acidification will leads to decrease in pH that will adversely affect our aquatic ecosystem. So we are going to restore this or store carbon in soil. How we can store this carbon means uh, by keeping soil planted or by regular plantation of crops in soil and some minimized tillage or crop rotation or using of growing of cover crops pasture or forestry plantation by using of biochar. By all these methods we are going to restore our atmospheric carbon. This stored carbon can maybe removed by our agricultural practices like same tillage or removal of crops, industrial activities, and also by land clearing activities, etc. So, by keeping soil planted, it helps to absorb the atmospheric carbon to the soil, and also it reduces the oxidation of carbon which is present in the soil. Because of oxidation, it can be able to, it will reduces or it will released as carbon dioxide again to the atmosphere. By growing cover crops also, it will covers the ground surface, that will minimize the oxidation, and also it helps to build up the soil carbon status. Likewise, crop rotation, pasture, forest, everything will helps to build up or restore the soil carbon which is present in the atmosphere. That's all about silviculture and soil carbon restoration. Thank you.